All right, guys, now that my cone is made, I get to make my ice cream part, which is the really fun part. So before I head to my table, I need to pick up 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, because I won't have enough for my other class. I need to only pick up 2 pieces of colored paper. Now, I love chocolate ice cream and I love strawberry, so I chose pink and brown. Now we're gonna cut out the ice cream part to go on top of our cone, but this doesn't look right, does it? No. We don't eat square ice cream, we need a circle. So in my box, I have circles that you can trace, and we're gonna share these with our table members. My very first step is to put my circle on top of the paper I'm cutting out. And then with a pencil, and I'm gonna have to borrow one from the box over here, I trace it. So holding it carefully in place, I go all the way around my circle. And ta-da! I have a circle. Oop, I'm missing a part. I'm just gonna draw that in. Ah, now I have a circle. Okay, so our next step is to cut it out. Well, here is where our target comes into play. So I'm gonna teach you guys about what's called a rough cut first, because we need to do rough cuts sometimes so that we can cut our stuff out better. That means a rough cut is where I cut close to my circle, but not exactly on it. So I'm just gonna do kind of some messy cuts. When I do a rough cut, I stay on the outside of my line, so you can still see my whole circle shape. Now that I have the rough cut, it's gonna be easier for me to cut on the actual line. So I'm gonna have to turn my paper around and cut, cut, cut. And I'm gonna carefully go slow. People, go slow. Follow that line as best as you possibly can. Oops, I made a mistake. I cut kind of on the inside, but that's okay. I'm doing my best. All right, now I have my circle shape. Pretty good. Now I need to glue it on my ice cream cone. Here is where we're gonna use something that we learned about last project. Overlapping, crazy. We're gonna use it again. So instead of putting it like this on top of my cone, I think the ice cream would fall out if it was on top like that. I'm gonna put it behind my cone so it looks like it's sitting inside. Now it's not gonna stay on there just by itself. I have to glue it. I am gonna pass out glue to your table. I'm only gonna put 1 or 2 glues on each table, so you're gonna have to share. Open the nozzle all the way up. If you're having trouble, ask a friend to help you out, and use your dot, dot, not a lots to glue it down. All right, so I'm gonna put my dots on my triangle here at the top because I know that's where it's going. And I'm gonna press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see if it's on there. Oh, it is, and I don't have any messy glue, and it's not falling off. All right, now I can do a second circle with my pink and put it on top so that it looks like it's a double scoop ice cream cone. Oh, I'm getting hungry. All right, you guys try it.